It looks like the president-elect has decided on an attorney general, and it's a familiar name, particularly to Washington, D.C. folk. Yeah.
You're right about that, Chuck. Two sources familiar tell my colleague Mike Memoli and me that President-elect Joe Biden has selected Judge Merrick Garland to serve as his attorney general. As we've been reporting for weeks, Biden's short list included Garland, outgoing Senator Doug Jones of Alabama, and former Deputy Attorney General in the Trump administration, Sally Yates. And the conventional thinking had been up until last night that the easiest of those three to confirm would have been Doug Jones, someone who enjoys lots of close relationships with lawmakers on both sides of the aisle, senators on both sides of the aisle. But now that Democrats appear poised to take control of the Senate, of course, those races have not been called, but that appears to be the direction. The calculus has changed a bit. There was a concern that if Joe Biden elevated Merrick Garland, he would then have to replace him on the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals on which he sits, and that would have been potentially another confirmation battle. But now that concern appears to be no more. So our reporting is such that Merrick Garland is someone who is widely viewed, who can be a unifying force within the Department of Justice, trying to restore public faith in that institution and restoring morale within it. There had been concern among some civil rights advocates with whom I'd spoken that he was seen as being potentially too deferential to law enforcement interests and that he didn't have the kind of track record on civil rights that a Sally Yates has. But our reporting is that Merrick Garland is the pick, and this announcement could come most likely tomorrow. Chuck.
Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Beat the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.